The Sales Meeting Minute. Did you get any referrals today? As a leader, did you ask this question multiple times today, this week, this month? How many times have we walked by our salesperson and we just said, hey, how's it going? Well, all right, it's a great question, but it doesn't actually do anything. A question with purpose is, hey, did you get any referrals today? Think about that for a second. If you keep asking that, then your salespeople will start asking for referrals. Why? Because they want to respond to you in a positive way. You bet I asked. How many times do they have to be asked? Did you ask for a referral? Chirp, chirp, chirp. If they don't have an answer, boy, they feel a little not okay. And if you're congruent and consistent and you continue to ask, all you're doing is training me as a sales rep to say to my customer, do you have any referrals? So if you ask, they will too. We know as managers that referrals are the easiest sale that we have. It's the least expensive sale that we have as well. So why not make sure that we continually ask? So when you say, did you ask for a referral today? And they say, yeah, I did. Congratulate them. Bring it up at a meeting. Start off a meeting. Who asked for referrals this week? Oh, what happened? Hey, that's congratulations. Just because you asked doesn't mean you have to get a yes all the time. The positive is that I asked. Now, you should, as a company, always make sure that you're asking for referrals in every part of what you do. How about referrals? When you thank people for their business, ask for a referral. On your web page, ask for a referral. Ask for a referral when you deliver your product or service. If you're constantly asking, you'll find that you'll close much more business than if you're waiting for unsolicited phone calls to come through your front door. I call those bluebirds. And when I look out my window, I don't see that many bluebirds. So ask for referrals.